welcome back to my channel. We have a brand new video for you, and I have a special guest here.
My name is Anabella.
Anabella's here with me again. We are going to do an unbagging of my LiveGlam MorpheMe brush sets. But before we talk about it, remember, don't forget to
like the video, subscribe, and hit the
notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos, because I only upload videos whenever I get bags or boxes or whatever. That's when I do my videos. And also don't forget to hit don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts at Facebook and Instagram at DeSoto Beauty Subscription. I was like tongue twisted there. Anywho, yeah, okay, so we have today is a LiveGlam MorpheMe brush bag here. If you don't know what that is, it's a brush club from LiveGlam. You get over $30 worth of makeup brushes from Morphe, which is awesome because I love Morphe brushes. I use them all the time, and they are 20 bucks a month. Yeah, around that price. And yeah, LiveGlam does have 2 other subscriptions. They have the eyeshadow palette subscription, and they also have the lippy subscription, which they make themselves. So the eyeshadow palette and the lippies they make themselves. I haven't dived into that yet. I only get the makeup brushes because I love the makeup brushes. Also, if you review the makeup brushes, you get points as well. And you get points for every time you subscribe, and they have like where you can skip. They'll let you see what the brushes are, so you have enough time if you're like, you know what, I don't want these brushes for next month right now, or money's tight or something like that. You can always skip, and at no cost, and they won't charge you or whatever. So that's pretty cool. So you don't really have to like cancel right away if you just can't do it for next month. Okay, so let's get into this and open it up and see what brushes I got for this month of January. Pull that one. So Bella was excited because she was like, I want to do this video with you because she wants just to open things up. That's her thing. I can do this over here. So, Bella, there is a card in there. And yeah, there we go.
And one more.
So this is, oh, I got 2 cards in here. Okay. Okay, it says like a boss, January 2021, a LiveGlam Brush Club, and it looks like we're getting 3 brushes here. It says make it pop like pink champagne. Set your goals high and don't stop till you get there. Don't let anyone dull your shine. This month we're bringing you 3 outstanding brushes: flat contour, dual deluxe fan, and a deluxe highlight. Let your dreams be your wings and show them who's boss with their January 2021 Brush Club collection. Cheers to a new you. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram for a chance to be featured on our page. Stay glam. Oh, what I like is I already won twice from LiveGlam. They gave me 600 points to put in my account so I can buy like new brushes or lippies. I got like an eyeshadow palette, so that they're amazing. When you like upload your pictures and put it on your Instagram and stuff like that, they'll choose people to win like 600 points for their account. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so Bella pulled out this other card, and I didn't know what it was, and it says, we're gifting you this freebie to say thank you for being a loyal member of the LiveGlam fam. Stick around and we'll keep showing you love. So I got a freebie in it? Did I get something in it? What do you see? Is there a lot of because I'm supposed to get 3 brushes. Can you give me one of the brushes? Okay, so Bella pulled up this big brush. Look at this brush. Oh my god, I'm just gonna rip that out. Oh my goodness, look how big that is. Wow, this is the Morphe N495. I love that they put the number there. So this one is the dual deluxe fan. Apply the finishing touches with this versatile brush. It effortlessly dusts on products, removes fallout, and contours the face. And must for perfecting any makeup look. She's like, let's put it all over the face. She's too funny. Oh my god, I love that. Look at this. For definitely like brushing off. You can even do it for highlighting. Look at that. Like, tickles. Oh my god, this is such a fun brush. I don't have like anything from Morphe like this. I mean, I have smaller ones, but like this one is fun. I think this is fun. All right, what's the next one? Ooh, this is my gift from LiveGlam. Is LiveGlam coming out with brushes? Oh my goodness, wait, let's see what this is. Oh my god, let's hold that for last. Let's just get into the unbagging. Let's see the other stuff. I know, I'm teasing.
We only have 3?
It's supposed to be 3 brushes. Yeah.
There's 2.
Yeah, that's right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, so before I show you that brush, let's talk about the other brushes and then I'll see that one. Okay, so this is the, let's see. Okay, so this is the M532. This is what it looks like, really nice. This is the Deluxe Highlight, more than just a killer highlight brush. The Doom bristles are great for blending eyeshadows and more.
Did I say killer?
She's like, did I say killer? Yeah, I said killer. So that's pretty cool.
Wait, where's it from?
You can use it for here. You can use it for your eyes if you have like bigger eyelids.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Alright, so then this is the third brush here.
That's biggest.
I know. This is the Morphe M459. Oh, look at that. That looks really, really nice. Okay, so this one is the flat contour. Have a mighty defined time with this short edge synthetic brush. So you can use that for like, so it's contour. So you would just kind of like, you can contour this area, you can contour the nose, like just like that. That's so I like my brushes this month. That's pretty cool. This brush alone right here is amazing. Look how big that is. It's bougie. Okay, so I'm excited. So this is my free gift from LiveGlam, and I'm excited. It says LiveGlam. I'm wondering if they're coming out with brushes. That is so cute. It does say LiveGlam here. It has purple chrome on here. It's white with like lace like stripes or whatever in gold. I don't know if you can see that. Put it over here. And it's a double end brush. Typically there's like a little straggler here. Typically I'm not a big fan with double-ended because it's hard to find a place, because this one has to lay out flat. You can't just put it in your cup or whatever, because then you'll bend the bristles and everything. But this is nice. It has a very nice, it feels very soft. It feels like the Morphe ones. This is probably going to be good for in the crease, buffing and stuff like that. And then you got like a shader flat brush there. Super nice. I'm excited. I got a LiveGlam makeup brush. You like that color, don't you? Look at her. Super, super cute. Well, thank you so much, LiveGlam, for that free item, that free gift. I'm really, really happy that I got that. That is so awesome. I'm wondering if you're coming out with brushes. That's exciting. All right, guys, so that is it. I also will put here what was the value of my my Morphe brushes and for this month. It looks exciting because I can't remember the prices, but I always put the prices here anyways. But I'll look onto this one because that's awesome. Anywho, all right, so what do we gotta say, Anabella?
Subscribe, hit the notifications, and
like this
channel.
Like this video.
Like this video.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video, like Bella said, okay? And don't forget to follow me on my other social media account, which is the Soto Beauty Subscription at Instagram and Facebook. Alright guys, thank you so much. Please be safe out there, stay healthy, and lots of love. Bye.
Bye.